So hello everyone, and this is officially our first detailed review on a homestay, and we always wanted to start with this homestay because this is where we look if you want some peace in our lives, if we are caught up with many things and we just want to relax and come here. Probably this is one homestay which we come to, and this homestay, the name is Anand Yul Homestay, which is in Jispa. So why this homestay is very special to us? Because अगर आप यहाँ पे आओगे तो you won't feel like you are a guest or you are an outsider, because the people here, they won't let you feel that. और जब आप लद्दाख की तरफ जा रहे हो या फिर आप मनाली की तरफ जा रहे हो, तो जैसे आप मनाली से निकलते हो तो वहाँ से अटल टनल आता है और कीलोंग इज़ देयर, टांडी है, जिस्पा है, और प्रॉब्ली यहाँ से आप अगर आगे जाओगे तो दारचा आता है, दारचा से लद्दाख, बारालाचा, शिंकुला, ये सब जगह है. So this stands in middle where you can have a stay, have some time off from your life and probably relax for a while. And the homestay, probably if you just see this particular area where I'm sitting right now, this is the place where we spend most of our hours when we have a stay here. We usually come here for 3 or 4 days, but this is the place where we just relax, have some time together. And if you talk about the rooms, probably the rooms here are very spacious, very spacious and very clean, very well maintained. The entire property here is very well established, and this is probably the 3rd or the 4th property here in Jispa. If I talk specifically about the food, they charge the food in the tariff. So if you come here, it's a request, probably don't just bargain with them, because they already kept the price very economical, and just don't let them into a situation where they have to say no to you. They'll help you in all the ways possible. They'll love you. They'll not treat you as an outsider. They'll treat you as a family. Just get involved in any conversation you want to, and they'll be like doing मजाक all the time. वो मस्ती में रहते हैं. और यहाँ के जो भैया, it's family run business, and it's so peaceful here, because it's so peaceful that even a pin is dropping and you'll hear that noise. You can just hear the river flowing, the Beach River that is flowing, a proper view of the Himalayas here, and it's such a wonderful place to be. And if you are coming to Jispa, I would rather recommend you to come to Jispa, because it's a very good place to be. I'm just spilling out the beans again here, but it was a secret. But just come to this homestay. I'm not paid or something to do this, but this is what we have experienced. The food is too good. They include the breakfast and the dinner in the tariff. So just if you're coming here, then all the details and the other things that are required to come here, probably I'll put it in the description. But make sure if you are in Jispa, passing by Jispa, it's worth giving a halt here. And we'll be covering few more homestays in our upcoming videos, and meanwhile just enjoy these views right from the homestay. Thank you.